Welcome to 7 Ways to Make 7K in 7 Days. And this is part 1. And in part 1, I am digging into freelancing, consulting, and events that are 7K or more per each instance. So, first, let's talk about how to put together offers and the things you want to consider. So, first, you want to think about the value that you bring. Is it in consulting in some area? Is it in social media? Is it in influencer marketing or management? Is it in finance? Something that you can put together and offer for $7,000 or more. Speaking of, along those lines, you can also, depending on your credibility and your experience, and of course your confidence, put together speaking opportunities for $7,000 or more. And last but not least, also putting together retreats and events, whether it's an exclusive retreat for a week or more or a month or more, and putting on that price tag of $7,000 or more. So let's dig into some examples with freelancing and consulting. So, with consulting, for example, some of my offers that are $7,000 or more include chief marketing officer services and or CFO services on a monthly ongoing basis. So, in the notes and in the examples and in the workbook, I'm showing you some links to where they give you an example of landing pages and offers that put together presentation, titles, SEO friendly titles that you can integrate content and launches from across your blog, across your show, across your social media. And also in the workbook, the framework of putting together your own offer for consulting, like what that would look like, what value you're providing that is exponentially more than what you are asking. Okay. And then, as some added tips, you can find different consulting opportunities on websites like Indeed, like Brain Trust, and like Paro, Paro.io. Now let's talk about some speaking opportunities and where you can find speaking opportunities and how you can set up your speaker page. So espeakers.com is a fundamental and amazing, phenomenal platform that you can put together your speaker page, and they have a great template, and they list you on so many different sites. Okay. And then I'm also going to link their information as well as my own bio page. Okay. Then, on top of that, now let's talk about retreats and events. So, some of the retreats and the events and things that I list at 7,000 or more include week-long retreats, month-long retreats, and then I've also included some examples there of fitlifecreation.com/retreats. So, the same way that you bundle your value and your gifts, talents, and abilities in a monthly offer, in a speaking opportunity, the same way you would repurpose it for a retreat. And then, to add in even more value, you can add in different online pre and post experiences. So comment down below on which $7,000 or more offer you are going to be putting together first. So let's create it.